And as you can imagine, we've had a huge number of emails from you about Jose Mourinho's departure. Let me just read you a couple of these bits. A flavour of how you feel. Andy Bernardo, for example, this is a plea to Jose. Leave Chelsea by all means, but please do not leave the Premiership and English football, as you'll be sadly missed. Your next step, Jose, is to oust Steve McLaren and become England manager. You'll have a lot of support. Stuart Dean, meanwhile, emailed us in from Marbella in Spain to say Jose will be sadly missed. He brought flair and arrogance to the UK Premiership, something that was missing. He moved Chelsea to another level. Other teams had to reach that standard, and they have done so. Jose, the saviour of English football. While Derek Keane is a Chelsea fan, he says Jose will be well missed. I hope Red Ron realises what he's done. He should
Hey, snoozing.
He does best, making money.